Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I will be discussing the Excel sum function. Excel's sum function adds values. You could add individual values, cell references, ranges, or a mix of all three. There is only one required argument, number 1, the first number you want to add. The number can be a value, like 4, a cell reference, like B6, or a cell range, like B2 through B8. Arguments number 2 through number 255 are additional values which can also be a number, cell reference, or cell range. For example, I could add numbers by using equals sum, open parentheses, 1, 5, close parentheses. I could also add cell references using equals sum, open parentheses, D2, A2. I can add a range of cells by using equals sum, open parentheses, A2, A10, close parentheses. I can also combine all three using equals sum, open parentheses, 10, D2, A2, A10, close parentheses. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.